I can't believe how much that railroad station has evolved. I hope we go back there again. One of these days, I hope to take a train here. Stabs me in the heart.
Get some sunset pictures. When I send you pictures, do you use them?
Yep.
So, sentence.
What was that?
Something happened.
What did he say? Should not have said that. Idiots. Don't open it.
You stay with me. Do you understand?
Yes.
If I miss you once, I'm leaving. I'm gonna find you and I'm leaving.
Another time was when I came to Oyster. Yep. Another
I
time.
cut my voice out.
Got it.
Just play music, okay?
All right. Another time when I went to Oyster Fest, I was thinking about the Yokai Watch episode involving Milliken and Snottle.
Just decide in order.
Say I'm looking for that.
Remember, we always go kayaking at this road?
Finally found him.
Oh, hey. There were no rides this year.
Holy cow.
I thought there were rides.
We can do back.
No.
The Audis.
What's in there? What's in that tent?
Might be liquor. Beer and wine.
They're watching football in there.
I got you.
I don't pay for you though. I pay for the
Excuse me? How do we go inside? How do we go inside? Why is the tent closed?
They close on things.
Really?
He
But the
wants
plane-
to do a quick video inside.
No, I cannot let anybody go.
Okay.
I got the okay.
football base. What is that?
It's hard. Look at that.
Wow. Let's see what battle is gonna begin. Looks like it's gonna... Whoa, our team's playing. Yeah, New York. Looks like it's New York Jets against the Hawks. Wow. Look at them go. Looks like the Hawks are in the lead. Poor guys. Come on, Jets. Let's just hope they can win this fight. It's like the Thumb Wrestling Federation Championship all over again. Whoa. You guys all right? Come on, Jets. Got this. Come on, Jets. You got this. Come on, Jets. Come on, Jets. Jets! Yay, Jets! Yay, Jets!
What do you mean, gay Jets?
Let's go, Jets! Let's go, Jets! 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 Come on! I hope the Jets win. I hope the Jets win.
I hope they don't get stolen. I don't know. We gotta go home. We're done.
Can I at least have...
No, we're going.
But there's still one last thing I want to see. Whoa, look at that.
Kylie?
Don't you want to see how that works?
I know how it works. I've done it.
I know, I've had one of these. Wow. Hey look, they have apple cider here.
There's artists in there. It's a lot of work for you to do a show like this. Take a picture of this. I want to send it to John.
Electric lemonade. Holy cow. I see you got a Pikachu plush toy down there.
Let's go.
Can we go this way? Except for that. Except for that boat.
Okay.
I want to get that picture.
Okay. We'll walk over there.
Do what you want because a pirate is free. You are a pirate. Go on. We're almost there.
The sun's
Got it. Now for the pirate ship. Sheep. If Olegmon were here, he'd say, "Ahoy!" Whoa, look at that. I guess they did have rides this year.
Let me take a picture for you for your thing when you post it. Let me take the picture for you so that we can get it good.
The picture camera button is right here.
Okay.
No, it's right here. It's right here.
I know. Let me get it.
I'll do it.
Hold on. I want it so it's really good.
Hey, can you go over there?
We could try to drive. Okay, come on.
All right.